Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A little sleepy today, but the plan is to drive from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. GPS says it's going to take about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. We're on the way to the motorcycle store to go get the motorbike from Funky Bike Rental, just like last time, when you remember the episode from Chiang Mai to Pai. But short taxi drive, we'll pick up the motorcycle and then we'll be on the way. Make sure to like and subscribe for more travel related content. I've secured the same bike as last time, just in red. Everything is good to go. Brakes, oil, tire pressure, and they just washed it for me. I'm gonna plug in the GPS and we're on our way to Chiang Rai. We are about an hour into the journey here to Chiang Mai, and I was driving on the highway and I saw some volcanic hot springs. I don't know if we're allowed to bathe in them, but I'm gonna have to check it out real quick. So this is the hot spring volcanic stone. You can't swim in these, it's too hot, but it's a good spot to stop for lunch and smell the springs. You can also boil eggs if you'd like, right there in the hot water. So we're here right on Route 118, which is gonna take you from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. It's official, we are 33.3% of the way to Chiang Rai. But I was driving down the highway here. There's this place called Long Neck Village, and you can see these ladies have golden rings to extend their neck. And I saw this on a show one time, and so had to stop. We're gonna check it out real quick. I didn't know I was going into a village, which is cool. I had to pay 100 baht or $3 US, and then I'm walking into the village now. What a beast, look at those horns. Big sucker. Lacey, how many rings do you have on your neck? 13? Oh. 2 kg. Wow. Very cool. Chun-pi? Pass it Thai nit noi. So that's pretty neat. What a cool roadside attraction that I accidentally stumbled upon. I made some donations and picked up a couple trinkets and knickknacks for family and friends back home. But it's time to get some lunch and get back on the road. Off to Chiang Rai. I was cruising down the highway again, and I found this big statue. Wang Pao Pen, I think. Pretty miraculous, guys. I think I'm gonna be stopping a lot on the way to Chiang Rai today. Look at that sweet statue back there. Man. Okay, I really need to get some lunch and coffee, probably. Yeah, let's do that. Whoo-wee! I'll tell you what, this drive is amazing. It's so beautiful out here. But I've been going about 2 hours, so we are 66.6% of the way through the journey. And if you've ever been to Thailand, you might know of a place called 5 Star Chicken. I'll definitely go ahead and stop right here, right now, grab some chicken for lunch, and then we've got about another hour until we get to Chiang Rai. Here we go. Look at this, I just ordered a half chicken, and these are just beautiful, moist. Chicken bites. So I snagged a half chicken on the side of the road and a Pepsi for Gao Sip Ha. 95 baht or $3 US. Let me get this lunch down, and then we're gonna get back on the road. Woo! All right, we are nice and full. I had a half a chicken with a Pepsi. So good. And they've got this little sweet chili sauce on the side that you dip it in. If you know, you know. But we gotta get on our way up to Chiang Rai. It's getting a little toasty out. This morning I had the jacket on, taking the jacket off. God, it's so beautiful. It's like 50, 60 in the nighttime and 75, 80 in the daytime. Here's my bike. All right, let's go. Heidi ho, neighbor. We've just arrived here in Chiang Rai. A little over 3 hours. Beautiful drive. I'm going to check into the hotel and then get out to exploring. If you like this episode, go ahead and hit that like button. If you've been around a while, drop a comment. We'll see you on the next episode of Exploring Chiang Rai. Kap kun kap.